Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 20th, 2022. I'm here today to show you all that a big move is already here for Apecoin. You guys can see that this current cryptocurrency is already up 28%. And sad to say, I told you all here on April the 13th to be prepared for the price in Apecoin to go up, and it did that. So this is one of the most powerful things that we have that we can utilize to make sure that we are already in position to capitalize on these type of moves. So now you're going to see a whole influx of individuals thinking that they're going to miss out on this move, and now they're going to try to jump onto the ship and ride the way to higher profitability. But for us, we got to get in before everybody else to increase our chances of having profitable trades. So welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions simply by looking at price charts. I don't try to add anything else to what is already listed on the charts. We don't need anything else. So I want you all to keep it locked in here. If you guys want to join me, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, and also like and share the video, because I want as many people as possible to see that you can actually learn and benefit by just looking at price charts. It's so simple. So take a look at this. Like I said earlier, I did a video on April the 13th looking for Apecoin to go up. You guys can already see the price prediction is still here on the chart, which is right here. And today we got the ultimate TP price out of 19.75%, right? Just that simple. Now, if we were to get out now where the close is currently at the last trade is 39, almost 40%. It's just that simple. All right, so that's done. That is over. The question now you guys may be wondering is, okay, did I miss out? Well, let's talk about it, because it's going to be real dependent on whether or not Apecoin can continue to hold price on this trend line, right? It would either be here around $15.60 or down here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this horizontal line down here because we want to see on the next move lower, because we got to be prepared. Price is going to come down, right? It's not going to go up into perpetuity. It's not going to go up forever. It's going to come down, and we need to try to anticipate where will the buyers be at to stop price from falling. And the idea that I'm looking at right now is going to be around $15 or so. Okay, so now we can actually take this trend line, since the market in Apecoin is actually creating for us a trend to where the trend is currently going up, right? So we can utilize these lines to gauge what is really going on in the market, right? We already know as long as price in Apecoin holds $15 or even this ascended line, we're going to go up in price. It's just that simple. So we need to get prepared for price to come down, and those are the levels that we're going to be looking for to see the buyers prop up and keep price from falling. That's it. Because currently, yeah, we're in an uptrend. We're in a bullish market right now on a daily time frame, on an intraday basis. Yes, the market in Apecoin is strong. But for us, we need to be forward thinkers. We need to think, okay, cool. Yeah, it's strong now. If I'm not in the market right now, I'm not going to jump in though. Even though it looked enticing, even though the market looked like it's never going to come down, you got to learn how to hold out, because price will eventually come back down. And we're trying to pinpoint where is it going to be so we can already be prepared, have our ticket in hand, and begin to ride the market up higher too. These are the levels right there. I'm showing it to you. All right. So real quick, this is Apecoin on a 2-day time frame. Look at this. We got 13 hours and 8 minutes left, and the market is, like I said, is strong. It even looks as if it's going to continue to trend higher, possibly to the highest to where it first started on this exchange on Binance, right? But we already got a placeholder to where the market in Apecoin could not break up above, which is right here. Okay, so we got to be prepared for selling to begin in the market in Apecoin right here around $18. We're at $17.17 right now. So that could be the start of us seeing price decrease in Apecoin. But I will give you one thing. If the close of this current 2-day price bar, which is right here, close at the high of the bar, yeah, we're going to continue to go up in price. This is a relatively strong market right now. This is Apecoin on a 3-day, right? It is right there. So let me show you all on an intraday basis what we have right now. Okay, so you guys can see that the overall trend here in Apecoin is still in a pretty good uptrend. The only thing that I like to tell all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, is that we don't like to see when price breaks away from trend like this, right? Because that can't be sustained. When you look at where trend currently is to what it was starting or what it did back in April the 18th, it broke away. And eventually the balloon is going to get popped and price is going to come back down. So this is why you don't need to come in and rush. A lot of people are going to try to jump onto the bandwagon right now, not seeing that the price in Apecoin is breaking so far away from the trend. And look how steep that slope is. That's massively steep. That's not going to be sustained. So this is Apecoin on a 3-hour time frame. Okay. So yeah, it's strong right now. But the question is, are you prepared for price to come down? Right? Are you prepared for it? So I'm looking at the price in Apecoin to come in around 18, and then that's when the selling will begin to try to push the price down. And we're going to look forward to come down to like 16, all the way back down to $15. It might even come down to that trend. There's no man's land, right? Look at this on the 30-minute chart, because I want to look back here in Apecoin, because we're about to hit unfamiliar territory to see how high the sellers are going to be positioned to begin to lower price, right? This is the last high, $18. The high before that is all the way up here, which occurred on March the 17th at 28. Those are the two areas that the last stage happened that sellers were to lower price in Apecoin. Okay. So now, what do you think we need to do? Should we wait? Should we jump on the ship right now? Or should we just let price come down just a little bit and then come on board? What do you think? Right? What do you think? Because for me, looking at this on a 2-day time frame, it's a relatively strong market. The only problem is when to get in. Do you get in now? Or do you wait? So seeing that I do this video not often, I'm going to go ahead and play that the price in Apecoin is going to continue to go up. Now, I'm not trying to time on when to get in, because like I said, personally, I will wait to let the price come down before I enter into this particular market. I won't be fooled into thinking that price in Apecoin is not going to come down, right? But seeing that I do this not often, I'm just going to put in a prediction where price is currently, and we're going to continue to pursue the price in Apecoin is going to go up, right? That's what we're going to do. Now, question: at what point would you come through and try to take the profitability, right? At what point would you be satisfied and say, all right, cool, I'm going to take the bag right here? Where do you think price is headed? Is the question. Where is it headed? First spot is $18. Like I said, we're not that far now. $18 gives us around 6% profitability, and we might need to take it there. The sellers really might stage a very strong hold there and not let price go higher than that. You got to take the bag then. That gives us what was that, 5%? If the market's going to give us that, then we just got to take it and be satisfied with it and move on to the next opportunity. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this away, and we're going to continue to follow the market in Apecoin here. Somewhere around this area right here, we want to see price hold this level, because if so, we understand that the market price in Apecoin is still strong and that we can anticipate price to continue to go up. Now, this is not one of those long-term plays neither. The moment that you begin to see some selling, some weakness, you might want to take the whole position off the table and be satisfied with what you see. Because like I said, we are going to get into some areas of unfamiliar territory. We don't know how the people are going to react to see Apecoin continue to track higher in price. But is the market strong? Yes, it is. Which is why we're going to continue to play the strength here in this space for Apecoin. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this up just a little bit. I'm not even sure where price is going to go. I'm just going to repeat it around 20 into the market in Apecoin, because we don't have any historical information here in the background to gauge how high price is going to go. But yeah, I like it. I think the price in Apecoin is still going to continue to go up in price as long as price maintains itself above what, $15, $14. We're aiming to see price in Apecoin go up. All right. So now it's your turn. Let me know, what is your price target? Where do you think Apecoin is going to go? Just drop it all in the comment section. All right, don't let it be confusing. Don't be talking about no ellipticals, no Fibonacci retracements, no MACDs, no RSIs. Don't be telling me what someone else tweeted about what's going on into the market in Apecoin for real, that this is the reason why prices. No, don't give me none of that. Just tell me what is your price target, where you think price is going to go. All right, that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.